Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of nightlight not turning off in Windows 11. Nightlight is a helpful feature that reduces blue light, but sometimes it can get stuck or refuse to disable even when you toggle the switch. This can be caused by system glitches, display driver problems, or corrupted settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Try to turn off nightlight. Open the search menu. Type in Settings, then open the Settings app from the results. In the Settings window, click System from the left-hand side, then click Display on the right side. Under the Brightness and Color section, locate the Night Light toggle. Switch the toggle off to disable night light. Step 2. Update or roll back graphics driver. Open the search menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display, Adapters. Select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for drivers. Follow any prompts. Windows will download and install the latest driver if available. If it doesn't work, try clicking Rollback Driver in the Driver tab. Select a reason for rolling back. You can pick any, then click Yes to confirm. Wait a moment while Windows restores the previous driver version. Wait a moment while Windows restores the previous driver version. After that, restart your computer. That's it. The issue should now be resolved. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.